Welcome to HeyGen Academy. In this guide, I'll show you how Faceswap works. Faceswap is HeyGen's simple workflow for customizing avatars. Let's get started. Open apps and scroll down to all apps and select Faceswap. Choose the source image that you want to modify. Next, upload a clear front-facing photo of the target face you want to apply. Make sure the photo is well lit and unobstructed. Click Process and you'll see a preview of the transformation. If you like the result, save it to your avatar. If you don't, you can always go back to change the images. Give your avatar a name, then click on Save Avatar button to finalize your customized avatar. You can then use this avatar in your AI studio projects or other HeyGen apps. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Faceswap to instantly change the face of any avatar or image. With just a photo upload, you can transform your avatars in seconds, making them more flexible, versatile, and ready for any project.